Hi everybody, this is Eric from the High Valley in southern Austria, and we are in for the third blizzard this winter season. We already have like 1 meter, 1 meter 20 of snow, and in the next 24 hours we get another 50 to 60 centimeters. So it's going to be massive amounts of snow. When I experienced my first winter in the southeastern Alps some 20 years ago, I couldn't believe the amounts of snow that are possible. So this winter is special again because the southern Alps are packed with snow again. We have to take care of the little cabin here because weight becomes a problem. Almost 1 meter of snow, and today we have another 50 centimeters coming. So let's go. What are actually the conditions for a weather like this? It's called a 5B weather situation by meteorologists. It is characterized by a low pressure area in the Mediterranean. This cyclone heads from the western Mediterranean towards the northeast, and eventually the low pressure area meets the Alps. In winter then, the warmer air from the Mediterranean is packed with water, and it meets the cold temperatures in the Alps. This is the situation when heavy snowfalls are happening. And sometimes snow gets really high. This cabin is secured now, but we have to see if we need some shoveling on other roofs. We will see. In Austria we call this also an adriatic cyclone or an adriatic blizzard. Sometimes, especially on higher elevations, heavy snowfalls are accompanied by strong winds, even storms. In combination with the heavy snowfall, there is a very high risk of avalanches then too. We already have massive amounts of snow, and the biggest problem will be where will we put the snow that comes now, because we don't have a lot of space left. So we will see, and that's going to be a lot of shoveling in the next 24 hours. When the blizzard finally arrives, you have to clear your gateways on a regular basis, otherwise it becomes later really difficult. With these amounts of snow, it is really good to have a snowblower. It really helps a lot to shift the heavy snow masses. Good morning everybody. Blizzard's gone now, and again a lot of snow. Plants are really suffering now already from the heavy weight load of the snow. So finally, just 2 hours of work, the gateway is cleared, and now let's have a look into the garden, and for this I have to put on snowshoes. this is really incredible. 3 blizzards in a row. That's not very often. It's hard on the plants. And we only get that maybe every 5 to 8 years. So not very often. But it's a beautiful landscape, but also quite tough on nature and also for us. It is now clear. Spring will take a while to arrive. When we have these amounts of snow, it easily gets mid-April before all the snow is gone. But in the meantime, we will enjoy a beautiful winter scenery.